Want to organize discussions, share updates, or create exclusive spaces for your community? With Jambo, you can create groups and make announcements tailored to your needs. Let's get started. To create a group, go to your Jambo dashboard and click on Add Group from the left menu. Now, choose the type of group you want to create. Open discussions for interactive conversations or announcements notice board for one-way updates. Give your group a name and description so members know its purpose. Next, decide who can see and join your group. When creating a group, you'll need to decide its type. And here's how each type works. These are visible to everyone in the community. Members can join instantly without approval. Great for open collaboration and interest-based discussions. Private groups are visible in the group list, but joining isn't automatic. Members must send a request and wait for admin approval. This option offers a balance between discoverability and control over who joins. These are completely hidden from the group list. Only members who are directly invited can access them. Ideal for confidential discussions or task-based subgroups with restricted visibility. Choose the group type that best matches your objective, whether you're building open forums, moderated communities, or private teams. Now, invite members to your group. Regardless of whether the group is set to add directly or send invite in the settings panel, the flow remains the same. Admins or group admins need to click on Add Member, which opens a pop-up. Use filters like skills, department, or location to find specific people. Once your group is created, you can customize it further, add a banner, manage settings, or view members. Want to assign a group admin? Simply search for a member and add them as an admin. You can also set permissions, decide who can post, invite members, or access the group. Want insights? Track group activity with engagement analytics. For moderation, check the Reported Posts tab, where admins can review and take action on flagged content. Need to make important updates? Create an announcement group for one-way communication, or use the notice board for pinned updates. Announcements allow text-only updates, keeping members informed, whereas notice board posts stay pinned and visible even while scrolling. And that's it! See you in the next tutorial.